Okay, ladies and gentlemen, to our Tagbilaran City Honorable Mayor Jane Sinsoria Sia, our Superintendent of the Tagbilaran City Schools Division, Dr. Wilfreda Bongalos, and our Chief School Governance and Operation Division of DepEd Tagbilaran, Ms. Maureen C. Castaño, and of course, our Motherly Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Maricel F. Deloso, our esteemed educators, pre-service teachers, our audiences, our dear coaches, and of course, our bright young minds there. Once again, a pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome to the grand comeback of the much-awaited BWS Cultural Academic Invasion 24. As we gathered here today, we venture on a journey transcending the conventional boundaries of academia, where intellect meets creativity and passion ignites innovation. With 11 participating schools joining us on this odyssey, I know that each bringing their unique blend of talents and perspectives. We are poised to witness a symphony of ideas and a convergence of brilliance. Our return after a hiatus since 2018 marks a renaissance of intellectual fervor and cultural celebration. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, we have emerged stronger, more determined, and brimming with a renewed zeal to foster academic excellence and nurture artistic expression. As we unravel the chapters of this academic extravaganza, let us not only celebrate the pursuit of knowledge, but also revel in the camaraderie of spirit in collaboration that binds us together. Let us embrace diversity, champion innovation, and pave the way for a future where the pursuit of excellence knows no bounds. Once again, welcome one and all to the dawn of a new era where the quest for knowledge is not just a journey, but an exciting adventure. So together, let us embark on this voyage of discovery as we set sail into the uncharted waters of intellectual exploration and cultural immersion. Welcome to BWS Cultural Academic Invasion 24, where minds collide, ideas converge, and greatness rise. Thank you.